Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something super exciting for you. The brand new HP 15-inch laptop. Model 15FD0012NR for 2024. This laptop comes packed with some impressive specs, including the 13th generation Intel Core i5-1334U processor, 8GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and Intel Iris Xe graphics. We're going to unbox it, set it up, and put it through its paces. So, let's get started. Alright, let's open this up. As you can see, HP has kept the packaging simple and eco-friendly. Inside the box, we have the laptop itself, a power adapter, and some quick start guides. Here it is, the HP 15-inch laptop. First impressions, it's sleek, lightweight, and has a premium feel to it. Let's take a closer look. The HP 15-inch laptop features a modern design with a brushed metal finish. It's quite slim and weighs just about 3.75 pounds, making it easy to carry around. On the left side, we have a USB Type-C port, a headphone/microphone combo jack, and an SD card reader. On the right side, there are two USB Type-A ports and an HDMI port. Let's power it on and check out the display. The HP 15-inch laptop comes with an HD display, which offers crisp and vibrant visuals. The colors are well balanced, and the viewing angles are impressive. This makes it great for both work and entertainment. Now, let's talk about performance. With the 13th generation Intel Core i5-1334U processor and 8GB of RAM, this laptop handles multitasking with ease. Whether you're browsing the web, editing documents, or streaming videos, it performs smoothly. The 512GB SSD ensures fast boot times and quick file access. This laptop comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, offering a user-friendly interface and a host of new features. From the redesigned Start menu to the integrated Microsoft Teams, Windows 11 enhances your productivity and connectivity. Battery life is a crucial factor for any laptop. The HP 15-inch laptop offers up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge, which is great for all-day use. Whether you're working from a coffee shop or traveling, you can rely on this laptop to keep you powered throughout the day. In conclusion, the HP 15-inch laptop, model 15FD0012NR, is a fantastic choice for 2024. It offers a perfect blend of performance, design, and portability. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just needs a reliable laptop for everyday use, this one ticks all the boxes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and unboxings. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.